Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. Today let's see how to make an interesting recipe from the Nawabs of Rampur, a place in UP which is not just known for its Rampuri chakkus but also for this delicious Rampuri Chicken Korma. For this, let's heat 3 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee melts, just add an inch of cinnamon stick, 5 green cardamoms and 5 cloves. Just saute these spices till they release an aroma. Just be careful of the cardamom pods. They just pop sometimes. Let's add 3 onions that I've sliced. We need to saute these till they are nice, crisp and golden. To fasten this process of browning and caramelization, I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt. The onions have been caramelized beautifully and have got a lovely golden color. I'm going to add half a kg of chicken to this. And sear the chicken on a high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. It's time to add the ginger garlic paste, a teaspoon of ginger paste, a teaspoon of garlic paste, and just fry this till the raw smell goes off. Let's add a tablespoon of coriander seed powder. Mix it well. Half a cup of yogurt. Reduce the flame. We don't want the curd to split. Once I've just mixed in the curd evenly, I'm going to add a tablespoon of red chilli powder. Mix this again. I'm going to saute this till I can see the oil separating in the gravy here. You can see the oil has separated. I have cashew nut paste here, where I'd soaked 10 whole cashew nuts in warm water and then ground to a fine paste. I'm adding this to the chicken. You can see how beautifully the oil has separated again. Let's add water. We've already added salt to this. So I'm adding about 2 cups of water. Stirring this gently. And I'm going to cover this and cook this on a medium to low flame for 15 minutes till the chicken is done. After 15 minutes, let's see if the chicken is cooked. I can see the meat is off the bone. The chicken is done. I'm going to add a tablespoon of rose water. Here I have 10 strands of saffron which I've soaked in warm water, which is about 1/4 cup. I'm going to add this as well. This is going to give a beautiful aroma to our curry. 1/4 teaspoon of green cardamom powder, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. Wow, what an amazing aroma. I'm going to gently mix this. I'm going to cover this and cook it for another 2 minutes because I want the spices to get infused into the gravy. Our Rampuri Chicken Korma is ready. I'm going to shut the flame and remove this curry in a serving bowl. This chicken can be served with rice, paratha or bread of your choice. It's a very simple recipe. Do try, let me know and keep watching Get Curried.